Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Munich, just on the way to the GoPro office now. We're picking up the Defender and then heading back to Birmingham for the Dixon conferences. Here she is. Let's get ready to hit the road.
How big they are. Dude, that's a 7-shoot-8 stuff! Way too crazy, dude. Get the new shots.
The new Hero 8.
You gotta be more excited, more energy, Dan.
I can't even see it. Nearly killed him.
Nearly.
So we've got our new Hero 8. We'll have to play on this in a minute. So we're just picking up some last minute stuff and then we'll be on the road. But we're switching over to the new GoPro Hero 8. See what that's like. Put it through its paces while we're away this weekend. Let you know how it goes.
Jag har tagit bilder typ som du vill ha dem med din mobil.
Just stopped off for a bit of food somewhere in France. Don't know where. Filled up with fuel. Ready to go on again. Just stopped off for a bit of more fuel and Anton's decided to go and fly his drone.
Good thinking there, Dan.
So the drone is grounded, should I say, because
we're on private property.
So we've just got pulled by the police to stop filming, even though we weren't filming. Anton was just playing. The cops are over there. So as you can see, we've made it to Calais for the ferry. We've got about half hour till we catch it and then off to Dover. 252, this way. Right, we've just pulled up, 9:30. So we're meant to be getting a 10 o'clock ferry, but they've just told us we have to wait till 11:15.
That sucks, dude.
Not impressed one bit. So our ferry is there. And we have to sit here for over an hour and a half till we can get on it. We will keep you updated.
It's whatever. We're gonna see.
That's it. We're in. See you in Dover. Right. Good morning, guys. We've arrived in Folkestone. It's not a bad morning. The channel is there. And now we're heading to Birmingham. Let's go.
Done, mate.
Made it to
that would actually be
the
cool,
NEC now.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to find now gate.
Let us try to just get everything
in
to others till the thing. Yeah.
We'll swing it around. All high vised up. So we'll go and park our truck now and get ready. So we're off to find some accreditation while everyone's setting up. All going down. we're having a training.
Then we should have
the new
connection
Max.
to the camera. Yeah. You press it and long press it.
So setting the truck up now, and then we've got some footage on the new Max. That's it, we're all set up on Tuesday afternoon. Just going to set it all up tomorrow morning, and then day one commences, so we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, it's pretty early. We've just arrived at the NEC for day 1 of 2 of the Dixon conference.
Oh god.
We're just off for a bit of breakfast. Everywhere's set up. Oh. Setup is done. We're just waiting for everyone to arrive. Stay tuned, see what happens today. As it's pretty quiet, I'm gonna have a little play with this. With the new Max camera on top.
Right to the crest at 18.
It's a little bit quiet here because the conference is on behind that. It's a big stage, so they're all talking about new products, but we're pretty quiet here. Behind me, everyone's coming back in from one of their conferences, so we're starting to get a bit more busy. That's the day done with, and we're pretty much all packed up. And then there is an after party tonight, so we're just waiting till that. Oh look, I found a wild Bear Grill. What's your next challenge? Go to find dinner.
Oh, that's why, because I got a glass beer. Fuck.
he was like hands in the air, like all he kept saying.
Good morning, it's day 2 of Dixon's conference. It's Ben. Eggs. I think the boys are a little bit hungover this morning. Last night we had Lady Gaga impersonator, and then after that,
Like FatBoy Slim, bro! So sick, so fucking good!
and then the final act.
Let's start again.
Nah, I can just cop it out. And then after we had to finish the night, FatBoy Slim, which was pretty good. Anton had a lot of free beers, but he's worse for wear this morning. But all is good. Stay tuned. Dixon conference done. We're about to pack down. We're about to pack down now and then hit the road back to Munich. So if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.